Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to prevent search engine not to follow the link on website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add code in htaccess file and you can use that code in both WordPress or PHP website. So we are going to instruct search engine not to follow links on our website. So this is our website. Now go to htaccess file. Now we are going to paste code. Now you see header set x report tag nofollow we added and then click on save changes. Now saving htaccess file done and then you see success message. Go to website again and refresh the page, right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open and then you see network, so click on it and then press Ctrl R. Now scroll up, then you see domain, so click on it. So we are in header, again click on it and then you see response header and then you see x report tag nofollow. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.